friends, I am so excited to show you the page kit by Meridy this month. So I'm not going to show you the handy dandy little piece of paper that has the instructions and all of that, because that's part of getting the kit. And I mean, the instructions are like step by step. They are in color, really easy to follow, beautifully put together, all that kind of stuff. So I want to show you what goodies are in here though, because that's so fun. And then I'll play with the kit. It's not my own design, so I get to follow along with somebody else, and that's super cool. So the first sheet we have is this really rich red, I have no words, by Basil, and it is called Pomegranate, and it's textured, and that makes me very happy. Let me come out a little bit. The next piece of paper is by Echo Park. It's called Scenic Route, and it's airplanes, and it's this really gorgeous, it's like a baby blue, but it's got a slight tint of gray to it, which I think is super cool. It's called Airplanes because, everyone, there's airplanes on it. And they're on a cream background, and it's kind of primary, but not. We have navy, this dirty yellow color, a really nice, like, Union Soldier blue airplane. So super cool, as well as the red. Oh, I have another piece of cardstock. I have 2 more pieces of cardstock. I didn't know. This is so exciting. These are called Buttercream, and they're this really great pale yellow. Those are gorgeous. Okay, and then the last pattern paper we have, it's also Scenic Route. They're called 4x4 journaling cards. So we've got this awesome plaid. Love orange and blue together. My favorite colors together. We also have this deep yellow in here. So pretty, and it's not a true white background because you can always see on the white branding strip, it's slightly cream. And then the back side has the 4x4 cards, you know, its namesake. And let's see, we have We're on the Open Road. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy plane tickets, which is kind of the same thing. Now is the right time for an adventure. You are my favorite to travel with. Always take the scenic route or route, depending on where you're from. Adventure is calling, and I must go. Love the mountains. Are we there yet with these great suitcases? Work, save, travel, repeat. My dog is barking because my husband's coming in the door. And this reads, oh, hold on a second. Seriously, the barking dog game makes this difficult. Anywho, it ends with, the world is ours to explore. Now, first of all, when I'm looking at this, I want to detail cut out those suitcases right there. I want to cut out with a ring around it this great big circle piece and pop it up for a title. I don't know what the layout's supposed to look like yet, but that's what I want to do. We'll see how it goes. All right, then we have this really great airplane cut file with some gray cardstock to mat our photos with, or maybe we're supposed to mat it with that. I don't know. I totally don't cheat and look ahead. So really great cut file of an airplane. Next, we have this full set, and this is very cool, from Echo Park Adventures Awaits collection of chipboards. So it's a 6x12. And look at all these great little banner pieces. And oh, he looks like the little Where the Wild Things Are, guys. Monsters are my very best friends. Adventure is out there. Look at these 2 cute little monster buddies. So, oh, and so our grand adventures begin. Oh, and look at this little tiny piece right there. How cute. Oh, that's so great. All good things are wild and free. Sweet boy, brave, little star pieces. Reads awesome up there. So I'm sure that not all of this will go on one layout, so we'll have lots of bits left over. We have a decorative tape, which is 15 feet of tape by Echo Park. And can you guys see? I don't know if you can see. Let me find the end so you can see, if you know what CC means, like really see, like C for reals. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at the airplane. So it's on this really great mid-tone slate blue, and the airplanes kind of look like they're going like this. Yeah, super, super cute. So I think since I want to, okay, the packaging is really good, so we know. Yeah, we have this whole set, or this gigantic honking thing of washi that we get with this. And then finally, oh, that's awesome, Okay, Meridy, I'm requesting 50 things cut out in this color green. We have this acrylic piece that reads Explore, and that is one of the most awesome green colors in the history of time, but I like green. With really great packaging that they include with it. I like the wood grain, but don't discount the grid. So that is our cool kit. Let's see if there's anything I should tell you about it. So Meridy comes up with these kits. She designs them. She puts them together. They are beyond awesome. So she tells you, I'm not going to tell you what to do. And she also will have a process video, which is super cool, on the YouTube, Not Just for Boys Kit Club YouTube channel. Good to know. Good to know. But she tells you what size to cut out the papers, what to do with this, fussy cut this, mat the photos with this. Like, she tells you bit by bit what to do, and you'll end up with a 2-page layout. There's also a supply list, basic supplies and tools needed. And if you're a scrapbooker, you have all the basic supplies that are needed. So that's super cool and easy to do. But yeah, you're going to end up with a 2-page layout from this kit. So I will have links down below for where you can get your hands on these goodies. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will get back with you the next time I am having a morning cuppa, probably with Barking Blue, as we are now going to call him. Oh, let's put this guy on top. My very favorite thing in the whole kit. Yeah, questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, my friends. I think that's it. Is that it? Yes, that is it. All right, bye for now.